Hey guys, welcome back. So iOS 14.5 has been released and many features has been arrived. So in this video, I'm going to talk about one of its feature called battery calibration. So what is battery calibration? We are talking forward in this video. Be sure you have subscribed my channel and enable the bell button. So let's get started. I'm Shihab. You are watching Mr. Shihab. To update iOS 14.5, go to Settings, General and Software Update. Many of them already updated. If you're still not updated, you can see the new features that are arrived in iOS 14.5 by tapping on Learn More. And here's the all new features in iOS 14.5. First of all, what is battery calibration? It is an issue in battery that it shows wrong capacity, wrong percentage and heavy battery draining. So to solve this, they brought a feature called recalibration. So this problem is mainly faced by iPhone 11 series and second generation SE users and few other iPhones. So it's done. Then how battery recalibration works? Once you have updated to iOS 14.5, go to Settings, Battery and Battery Health. You might see this kind of message. Your battery health reporting system is calibrating maximum capacity and peak performance capability. This process may take a few weeks. It means it's working to gain your true battery capacity. When process goes on, you should use your iPhone how you are using before, as it's in charging or discharging, etc. Once the process being successful, then you will see the second message. Your battery health reporting system is recalibrating maximum capacity and peak performance capability. This process may take a few weeks. Unable to recommend service at this time. So unable to recommend service at this time means now they can't tell that you have to change your battery or not. After that, the final third message, recalibration of the battery health reporting system was not successful. An Apple authorized service provider can replace the battery free of charge to restore full performance and capability. If the message not arrived, then your maximum capacity has been increased or decreased. If increased, it's good for you and your device. I think it will increase your capacity and most probably solves your small battery issues. If the message arrived and announced not successful, then you have to change your battery. And they had told an Apple authorized service provider can replace the battery free of charge to restore full performance and capacity. That means they can provide you new battery for you, but not they will provide new battery for you. You have to understand. I think they provide new battery for free of cost those who have warranty. Right? If you don't, then they will charge for battery. So that's all about the recalibration and hope you understand. If you want to know some more about this or not understand, I have given the website link in description, and hit a like button on this video and comment down how you feel about this new feature and share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe.